Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and happy Eid. I don't know the name of the holiday, but I think it's a good holiday. I'm sure everybody's enjoying. This is Robert Onyari, and this is the Bounce Back podcast preview for this Saturday. And we are celebrating 22 years of excellence at Arsenal. And we are calling this podcast this Saturday the Bounce Back at Arsenal FC, or the Bounce Back of Arsenal FC. And we are going to profile and to look at the journey of resilience, perfection, and patience over the years, for the 22 years that Arsenal has waited to lift the English Premier League. It has been an incredible journey for them. I'm not an Arsenal fan myself, but I want to feature this story and demonstrate the importance of the bounce back. What we are talking about, the bounce back project. Therefore, tune in this Saturday at 8 p.m. as usual as we discuss and talk about the bounce back of Arsenal FC. On top of that, tomorrow we profile in our white paper series edition by Robert tomorrow on Thursday. We are talking about Arsenal again, their excellence, their success, tracing the team history from when it started in 1883 up until now, and how they've gone through the eras, the years, the centuries to become one of the greatest English Premier League football teams. This is an inspiration story. We are talking about Arsenal, how Arsenal has been able to beat the odds for 22 years, waiting in the fringes to win the English Premier League. It's not about rivalry, it's not about team issues or team politics, but it's about the bounce back story of Arsenal FC. So tune in on Thursday as we talk about it here on the Bounce Back podcast by Robert. You can find us on our platforms on YouTube at On Roberts and on Spotify at On Roberts. On Spotify, we are not there currently prominently, so you can just rely on the YouTube. And again, we are happy to be with you and to talk to you, and for you to the support that you give us and how you're following and subscribing in our work. Also, Sibia Rufus Africa is our consultancy, is our firm that deals with politics, policy, strategy, and governance. And you can find us at www.cbrufus.com. On top of that, if you want to have a more personal, intimate connection or discussion with me, you can reach me on 0700631877. That is 0700631877. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your holiday and see you on Saturday. Peace out.